Unlocking the mystery. How to solve logarithms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that might seem challenging at first but is incredibly rewarding once you get the hang of it. We're talking about how to solve logarithms. Whether you're brushing up on your math skills or learning this concept for the first time, you're in the right place. So, let's demystify logarithms together. Before we dive into solving logarithms, let's understand what they are. A logarithm answers the question, to what power must we raise a certain number, called the base, to get another number? In simpler terms, if we have an equation like y equals xb caret y equals xb y equals x, then the logarithm of x with base b is y, written as log_b, x, equals y. Logarithms are the opposite of exponentiation. While in exponentiation we are given the base and the exponent to find the result, in logarithms we know the result and the base, and we aim to find the exponent. The basic form of a logarithm equation is log_b, x, equals y, where b is the base, x is the number we're taking the logarithm of, and y is the logarithm value or the power to which the base must be raised to produce x. It's important to remember that the base b must be a positive number, and it cannot be 1. Also, x must be a positive number because you can't take the logarithm of 0 or a negative number. Now that we understand what logarithms are, let's learn how to solve them. A simple logarithm problem might ask you to find the value of y in log_b, x, equals y. To solve this, you can 1. Identify the base, b, and the number, x, whose logarithm you're taking. 2. Think about the base to what power equals the number. This might require some trial and error with smaller numbers or the use of a calculator for more complex numbers. 3. Write down the power, y, that you found, which is the solution to the logarithm. For example, if you have log_2, 8, equals y, you ask yourself, 2 to the power of what equals 8? The answer is 3, because 23 equals 82 cubed equals 823 equals 8. So, log_2, 8, equals 3. Sometimes, you'll encounter logarithms with bases other than 10 or e, the natural logarithm base. You can solve these by using the change of base formula, which allows you to convert a logarithm to a base that you're more comfortable working with, typically base 10 or e. The formula is log_b, x, equals log_c, x, log_c, b, where c is the new base you're converting to. This is especially useful when using a calculator, as most calculators have buttons for log, base 10, and lane, base e. And there you have it. A basic guide on how to solve logarithms. We've covered what logarithms are, how to understand the logarithm equation, and how to solve basic and slightly more complex logarithm problems. Remember, practice is key to becoming comfortable with logarithms, so don't hesitate to try solving some on your own. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped clarify how to solve logarithms for you. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in our next video.